All this intelligence which goes abroad is to be kept within the country. First, I welcome the government and congratulate heartily for granting a stature or the status of IIT to the newly formed IIIT. It's a really heartwarming welcoming. Education is a key element for development of human resources. My friend was criticizing some of the clauses which were there in the Act. I would like to bring it to his notice. There are 3 phases in this Act. One is the governor, another is the Senate, and third one is the council. And if you go through the entire bill, you will find that the council is a little bit recommendatory authority. It is not that all decisions will be taken by the council. The council will recommend. Even the Senate, if the decision is taken by the Senate, the governor body will have a right to amend whatever the decisions have been taken or to approve the decision which have been taken either by the council or by the Senate. As far as the bill is concerned, sir, the object is to set up a model education, and that model education is of a standard of a global education. We want to develop a global leadership through this, global entrepreneurship to this, and all these 4 institutions, may I bring it to your notice, sir, that all these 4 institutions will be governed by the government ultimately. The entire finance is given by the government. Then naturally the control has to be by the government. You cannot give them the independence to do anything with them. You cannot give them the liberty to do anything with the institution. As far as education is concerned, development is concerned, some technology is concerned, they are at liberty to suggest or recommend whatever they would like to do in the institution, and the governing body will approve accordingly. Sir, the research led institution contributing significantly to the global competitiveness of key sector of Indian economy, and industry with application of IT is selected domain areas. The number of standards students produced by these IITs may be small, but the impact they are likely to create will be substantial. It has been said like this. I appreciate this point, but at the same time, I'll caution the government. What has happened in the past? There are 2 parts in this. Look at the IITs, those students who get graduated from the IITs, or some of them of universities, some of them of some bigger universities. All these knowledgeable students, innovative students are going abroad. Our knowledge is going abroad. We are exporting our knowledge. Look at US. In US, if you go in the total satellite, in all those things are there, NASA and all, you will find number of Indian students are there. What we are going to do to keep this knowledge within the country? I have appreciation again in the past, a little bit recession was there. When we globalize or the privatization was done, liberalization done in the education department also, a lot of engineering colleges were open. Number of students become engineers, they got the jobs, they got the good packages initially, particularly in the IT sector, particularly in the computer sector. But what has happened to them later on, the jobs, because of the recession in the US, they have been removed from the companies. And there was a recession in our IT also. Under this situation, the government has to take a caution. They have to be very cautious on this. All this intelligence which goes abroad is to be kept within the country. See to it that whatever facilities they need, whatever purse they need, whatever amenities they need, they go for that all those companies in the US or London, they lure these boys. They go over there, they got good packages, and therefore while welcoming this bill, I would like to raise the many companies reduce their students from the companies reduce their employees in India, Infosys, Wipro, lot of people have been during the recession, and therefore I request the government, while welcoming this bill, please take care that these knowledgeable students should not go from the country. Once they become graduate, initially we ask for engineer, then we ask whether you are engineer, what is additional qualification with you, Are you MBA? Are you anything else? You are having purchasing? Then only they used to get the job. Now that is to be taken care of here. I wish all the best to this IITs, the government taking steps, and congratulate the government for bringing this bill and bringing these institutions of a national importance. Thanks a lot. God bless you.